Jesus Christ saved me. I tried to take my life twice. I called out to the God, the only living God, Jesus Christ. He came and He saved me, and I have never been the same again. Because when you give your life to Jesus Christ, you have life in abundance.
Amen.
He is the way, the truth, and the life. Everything. Sin, death, the grave. So that you can have life. So that you can have life. So that all of you can have life in Him and life to the fullest. Today can be a day where you say yes to Jesus. And I'm telling you, people, I'm telling you, your life will never be the same. You will experience a joy that is not dependent on circumstance. But when you say yes to Jesus, He gives you the Holy Spirit. And that Spirit gives you a joy. And that joy is everlasting. So if anyone is here today who would like to accept Jesus Christ, I want you to say this prayer with me. Say it to yourself. You don't have to stand, whatever you want to do. Don't be ashamed. Do not be ashamed. Do not be ashamed.